How to use the HTTP request node in n8n. So for this, just head over and open your workflow. I have in here this trigger, which is a schedule trigger. Click on this plus icon, and from it there, click onto the search, and let's search in here for HTTP. Click onto this icon right here, and then this will open the window for your HTTP. We have in here the get option. Just enter right here the URL that you wish to use. So on the previous video, we have actually used it to actually scrape the website. Let me input right here some details. Now you can choose right here the authentication as well as sending query parameters. You can choose field below wherein you can add in here some names. Let me head over and add some. Now you can have the option to send headers and send bodies. Then also travel into the settings in order to add SSL certificates and also stop if it's actually an error. Head back to your canvas and then execute the workflow to see if it actually works. So as you can see, there's a problem. So what you can do is you can just fix that problem in order to actually fix that and then solve this particular issue. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you.